Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is colors. Colors. In French, we call it les couleurs. Les couleurs. Let's start. We'll start with the basic colors. This is masculine. This is feminine. The whole line. Masculine and feminine. Rouge, rouge, red. This is same, rouge, rouge, red, right? Masculine, feminine. No change in masculine and feminine. Bleu, bleu, masculine. And this is also bleu, but with additional E to it, which means blue. Bleu, bleu, and this is blue, right? Jaune, 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 same, jaune, yellow. Vert, vert, feminine, verte, verte, which means green. Orange, orange, same is for feminine, orange, orange, orange. Violet, violet, feminine, violette, violette, violet, violette, violet. Rouge, rouge, and this is also rouge, which means pink. Correct? Rouge, rouge. Let's repeat once more. You can repeat after me. Rouge, rouge, red. Bleu, bleu, blue. Jaune, jaune, yellow. Vert, 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 green. Orange, orange, orange. Violet, 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 violet. Rouge, rouge, pink. Right? Let's do few more color. Noir, 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 noir. This is black. Right? Noir, noir. Additional E to it for the feminine part, which means black. Blanc, blanche, blanc, blanche, white. Gris, 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 which means gray. Let's repeat once more. Noir, 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 noir. Blanc, blanche, blanc, blanche. Gris, 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 gris. Right? I hope pronunciation is clear. Okay. One more color is there. Marron, 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 which means brown. Right? There's one note here. Marron et orange means this color, brown, and this color are invariable colors. What do you mean by invariable? Which means they do not change with the number and with the gender. So these remain same for color, for number as well as for gender. Right? We'll do, we'll take few examples to explain this, right? I hope it's clear. Okay, let's discuss few examples. La pomme est rouge. La pomme est rouge. What is pomme? Apple, and that is feminine. So color will be feminine. La pomme est rouge. The apple is red. Correct? Le ciel est bleu. Ciel, sky. Masculine. Color is also masculine. Le ciel est bleu. Le ciel est bleu. Herbe est verte. Herbe. Herbe means grass, which is feminine. Grass is green. L'herbe est verte. Le chien est noir. Le chien est noir. Chien is dog, masculine, so color is also masculine. Le chien est noir. Correct? La neige est blanche. Neige, snow, feminine word. Et blanche, feminine. La neige est blanche. The snow is white. Right? Sa robe est marron. Sa robe est marron. Robe, dress, feminine word. As I said sometime back that marron, brown and orange, they are invariable colors. They do not change with number and with genders. So this is feminine, no change. Sa robe est marron, and same thing we have written for plural. Ses robes sont marron. Her dresses are brown. Her dress is brown. Her dresses are brown. So no change in the color because this is invariable color. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's do a few more examples. Elle porte une jolie robe rouge. Elle porte. Porte is a verb here. Porter, to wear or to put on. She wears a pretty pink dress. She wears a pretty pink dress. Because robe, dress is feminine. Feminine, feminine, feminine. Right? This we have discussed in our descriptive adjectives, where what is the position of the adjective, right? You can watch that video. If you haven't watched, I'll share the link in the description box. Elle porte une jolie robe rouge. Le mur est jaune. Le mur. Wall. Le mur est jaune. The wall is yellow. Je veux acheter une chemise bleue. Chemise, shirt, feminine word. That's why color is also feminine. And these are verbs, want and to buy. Je veux acheter une chemise bleue. I want to buy a blue shirt. Right? Ma chemise est noire. Ma chemise est noire. As I said, shirt is feminine. Ma chemise est noire. Feminine color. Ma chemise est noire. My shirt is black. Correct? Ses livres sont orange. Ses livres, books. His books are orange. As we said that marron and orange both are invariable color. It doesn't change with plural or with gender. So this is same. Ses livres sont orange. His books are orange. Correct? I hope it's clear. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.